こんばんは。こんばんは。すみません。かっこいい。かっこいい。かっこいい。Cigarette machine. Look. Swear.
They're so expensive though.
See guys, this is the freedom that we lack in America. Why can't we buy cigarettes on the side of the street? Arigato. Arigato gozaimasu. Domino's secured, guys. What's this, man? What the salted tongue? I got this one.
Put it over there. The menu over there.
Complete.
Ooh. Kampai. Kampai.
Pink.
How'd you make the izakaya? This time izakaya. Very nice.
I think they only got one though. Arigato gozaimasu. Oh, kampai.
Kampai. This feels like a less traditional one though.
Yeah, I was gonna say those like local ones that we were walking around, like underground, like yeah. Where were we walking around? Where it was just like bar after bar after bar.
Right when we got off that train station.
Nah, it was like the first night. It was bar after bar after bar. Yeah.
Literally right there.
We're like 30 minutes away from our crib, by the way. That'd be tight.
What?
We're like 30 minutes away from the crib.
Already? How do you get that from?
Walking, chilling.
That beer's good, bro.
Yeah, I actually like this beer a lot. I don't know if I like it more than Coors Light, but I like this beer a lot.
Classic. I thought we were from America.
Yeah, American.
I didn't expect like cow tongue. That was good.
That shit was hella good.
Awesome, bro.
I can do a lot of that. The obstacle is the way. You have to make fortune out of your poorness.
So make you sad.
Why? Didn't know we came to Isekai's to sad drink. I'm a little buzzed. For Shody. Oh, I hope they didn't give us super dries because those are like twice as much. That's why. Yeah, I was gonna say, anytime you ask for a drink, if you just say biru, they're gonna give you an expensive one. You know what I mean? Because you only ask for a beer, they're gonna be like, all right, well, I'll give you a beer. Yeah.
Ooh, we should go out. That would be helping us a lot.
What do you rate the Isekai? 10 out of 10.
Do another kampai. Kampai.
Kampai. Roll. For free? Sheesh.
These little mints.
Yeah, gum.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
Classic American.
This is why Japan's the best right here. You just got people walking around having a great time. Everyone's fucked up. Absolutely the best. People biking by. Now this is sick. Yo. Where you wanna go?
What a life we live, huh?
If you guys liked what we just did, make sure to smash that like button, make sure to subscribe so we can continue to do more cool shit like that. Konbanwa. Konbanwa.
Hey, すみません。かっこいい。
かっこいい,かっこいい. Just everyone having a great time, bro. Fucking crazy. No one's fucking worried about their life. No one's tripping. Everyone just having a great fucking time.
Should we go down that way?
Yeah. What the fuck, TikTok? Let us go live, man. Got your jeans on, ma. Oh, look at that cat. Kitty. We're friendly, Gaijin. Oh.
There it goes.
No, it's okay. Psst, 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 psst. No. Cigarette machine, bro. Cigarette machine. Look. See, guys, this is the freedom that we lack in America. Why can't we buy cigarettes on the side of the street? Tell me why. Yeah. ありがとうございます。Domino's secured, guys. Looks good. Two small pizzas. Alright, guys. We got the two small pepperoni pizzas. The boxes look like this. Very cool. Very cool.
The sideways pizza.
If anyone can tell me what this means, let me know.
Go ahead and crack that, John. Looks pretty normal.
Pretty normal pizza.
Yeah.
Time
I
for the
wonder
taste
if
test.
it tastes different. Indeed.
Here, bro.
Dink.
Cheers. Mmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What would you rate it? 1 out of 10.
In terms of how different it tastes, probably about a 2 because it tastes pretty similar. Yeah.
It's pretty similar to the States, but
how they made it, a solid 8, man. It's pretty good.
I'd also give it an 8, maybe an 8.5. Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more dope Japan content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.